So, still won't say the truth, Abi?
Please, I do not know anything about this thing. I've been telling you what I know.
Seems I've been taking this soft with you.
No.
Because you kept on repeating the same anthem. O fẹ́ mọ̀ mí àbí? Wà á dẹ̀ mọ̀ mí.
Please, you have to believe me. Sir, listen, I don't know anything.
Are you ready to say the truth? Hello, sir.
Hello, Detective James. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, have you gotten any information from him?
Not yet, sir. He's still not saying the truth, sir.
Well, we may have to transfer him to Zone G today.
All right, sir.
Ensure you get a useful information from him.
Don't worry, sir. By the time every sweat that drops from his body causes him pain, he's going to say the truth, sir.
I'm counting on you, James.
All right, sir.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations. We are transferring to Zone G.
Zone G, please, 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 I will talk. I will tell you everything that I know. Please, please don't transfer me.
So, who is Chief Owunikoko to you?
Chief Owunikoko.
Yes.
Chief Owunikoko jẹ́ oníṣòwò gidigidi kan tó dẹ̀ lówó gidi lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n tún jẹ́ aláàánú sí mi. The man is a God sent to me. Kò sí any business tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe tí wọ́n bá ti rí mi ká jọ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Àbí tó bá fẹ́ transfer any money tí wọ́n bá ti rí mi wọ́n ní ṣe anything. Chief Owunikoko bí ẹ̀mí ni wọ́n ṣe jẹ́ sí mi o.
Níbo ló wà ní ọjọ́ kẹwàá oṣù kẹwàá ọdún tá a wà yìí?
Please. Ọjọ́ kẹwàá.
Oh. O fẹ́ jẹ́wọ́. O fẹ́ ká padà sí ibi tá a ti.
No.
Where were you on the 10th of October this year?
On the 10th of October, I was in my room. I was with my friend Abdul in my house discussing some ransom issues. Then Chief Owunikoko called, came through. He wanted to make a transaction of about 50 million naira for some factory machine he wants to acquire. He does not like doing such transaction in his house. So he called me to meet him immediately. But I was expecting my girlfriend that time. And I told him I won't be available until later in the day. He said he would forward me an address to meet him there by 4 p.m. When my girlfriend arrived, she asked to talk to me in private, and I left her door in the living room with my phone. I am not sure what happened while I was away, but by the time I returned, Ado asked to leave immediately. I later discovered that Chief Owodikoko sent me the address already by SMS. But the SMS had been opened. I didn't take it too serious because I felt it would be Adol since he has access to my phone. I couldn't get to the place earlier because of traffic. So I got there 30 minutes behind the time. By the time I got there, the police apprehended me and I had to run for my safety.
Ujogate, kujogate. Ó fẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì ti rọ̀. Ó fẹ́ sọ fún mi wípé ó mọ̀ pé Chief ti kú.
Chief Owodikoko.
Oh.
Mi ò mọ̀.
You want to start pretending again?
I don't know, Chief Oku. I'm innocent.
So, why were you running when we were chasing you?
I was just only scared.
You are scared.
Ẹ̀rù lásán ló bà mí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. I don't know anything. Ayé mi.
Okay, let's take a look at it from here. You are the last person Chief Owodikoko talked to. You are the one he sent the address to. And in the text they sent to you, you guys are to meet by 4 p.m. But Chief was killed exactly 3:59 p.m. at the same spot.
Ẹ ṣàánú mi. Mi ò mọ̀ kankan. Ọlọ́run. Ayé mi o.
There's nothing I could actually do to this. There's no help I can render.
Please. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
But you know, when you get to the court of law, the judge might temper justice with mercy. Àdúrà ni kó máa gbà kórè ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please. Please don't leave me. Please help me. Ayé mi. Please.